Hi, this is Reshma from JSpiders Punjagutta. I'm a technology faculty here, and here one of our student is placed in one company, and she'll introduce herself about it. Can you please introduce yourself?
I am C.H. Varsha and I am from Karimnagar. I have graduated in Jyotishmati Institute of Technological Sciences from Karimnagar in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering.
And can you please tell me, in this company you have selected how many rounds they have taken?
Actually, it was overall 4 rounds. First round is based on pseudocode and active fundamentals, verbal ability and gaming aptitude. Later on, the communication test and technical round and HR round.
Before attending this requirement, did you attend the grooming classes of our JSpiders?
Yes, ma'am. I have attended the grooming classes. Actually, we don't know what exactly the levels are and how to crack that. We don't know. After attending, we have gained the knowledge how it will be. We came to an idea. We got the idea how to attend it and how to crack it.
Okay, one second.